part 2, if I haven't already said that. We have a leave. There she is again. She wants to be seen because she's making a bunch of background noises. And we're leaving.
Yeah.
Yep.
I didn't even get stayed up.
Yeah, because you're taking 2 million years to get up here.
I was waiting for you to make it.
Oh, a lot of we get up slow but sure. I guess I'll go down first since it took you 2,000 years to get up here. YouTube, I am holding it like, gosh dang it, YouTube. Oh, wait, before you start coming down. God. Oh, God. I hate ladders. Your feet are caressing me and they're nasty.
Really?
I'm not kidding. Oh, come on. I'm ready to go inside. Sorry, YouTube. Anyway, yeah, here we go. Quickly around the corner, up the stairs, because I have to plug in my iPod. Open the door, open this door.